Oh, are we on? Okay. Yeah, so we're here today to get in touch with a fabulous teacher that we've seen on X and other online platforms. Really doing a great job, fantastic pictures and videos, great pedagogy, and we're going to try and see what makes him so special. So come along and we'll have a look, yeah? Right, let's go in. John Smith from the department.
Mr. Smith, we've been expecting you. You're here to inspect room C26, I believe?
Mm-hmm.
Best of luck with that. Sorry, lads. Look after that for me. Come on, Mr. Smith. Follow me.
Another thing, Mr. Smith, from my military days, that I try to instill in these young men. A sense of discipline, punctuality, and a stiff upper lip.
Oh, I thought we were going to C26. This seems to be C266.
Remember, lads, it's love, lash, slay, and most importantly, love!
Irish is my passion, my love, my heart, Mochri. Some say I am the Gaeilge guru. I was once told I had the pronunciation of a young Peg Sayers, but I actually never read it. This pretty much sums it up though. My students bought it for me. They're so thoughtful.
Oh, I didn't realise the clickers were coming today. The fault is Jack. Don't forget to get my good side, please.
Oh, no, you misunderstand. We're not the paparazzi. I'm John Smith from the department. I thought you were told about us coming. We've come to do a video on best teacher practice, and you've been chosen.
Well, I didn't want to be on TV anyway.
Sorry?
Nothing.
Well, here we are. We saw so much of your amazing content on X, and we just thought you have to be the man to be part of our brand new campaign showing how to be an amazing teacher.
Yeah, totally.
They're all fake.
What you mean to say is, they were all fantastic, isn't it?
Right. Well, guys, we're going to be doing a few days here. We're going to be interviewing you and Mr. Breathnach, some other members of staff, see what makes him so amazing, like he looks on his X videos. So we'll get started, shall we? So we have Mr. B and... So who wants to get this ball rolling?
When I heard you say Richie anything you want to say about Mr. Breathnach, I got so excited. I have a lot of both emotions, mainly anger.
He's a total Excuse me! That's no way to treat your teacher.
Mr. Breathnach, you sort your class out, or I will.
I can't do anything about it. It's not fair. Leave me alone.
All right,
Leave me
sit down.
alone.
Dare you treat your teacher like that? All right, focus, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to come here, we're going to interview some of you to see what you think about your teacher. We're going to just ask you some general questions, nothing to get freaked out about. You three, yeah, you, and you. Okay, let's go. Now, guys, simply what we're doing today is we're just asking you a few questions about Mr. Breathnach and his teaching style. Now, I need you to know everything you say is totally confidential, okay? Just between me and you. So, let's get started, shall we? Do you like Mr. Breathnach's teaching style?
Kinda. The thing is, he doesn't really teach us.
Oh. What about yourself? How do you feel his teaching style goes along with how you learn?
I hate Mr. Breathnach. Doesn't teach us. He posts fake posts with an ex, and he can't even teach Irish.
Oh. Would you like to say what you think about it?
Well, yeah, I do. I enjoy sitting at the back of the class doing nothing, staring out the window.
Staring out the window. Well, that's been very, very informative. Thank you very much, guys. And remember, totally confidential. I'm starting to think there's something off about this. But we won't do anything about it for now.
Sir, are you going to do anything now?
None day.
Actually, sir, why don't we do a role play? You love that.
A role play. Yes! Shin Sweeney, brilliant. You're going to be a shopkeeper in Connemara in the Gaeltacht. You're going to be a bricklayer buying milk.
Sir, King Fall Bricklayer.
Bricklayer? For realism, of course. Would you come on? Will you speak a bit of Gaelga? Spielberg stuff. He'd faint if he heard that. Mahu!
He once told us, Tommy feeling fabulous. We don't even correct him anymore. It only makes him stronger.
Mr. Breathnach! Back to your seats! Back to your seats! Mr. Breathnach!
What? Stop it, you! Kinder! What's wrong with that? Name of God, I can't do anything here. Slán!
Mr. Breathnach, what did I just witness in there? Is your class always so poorly behaved? And why? Are you showing them how to set up a Tinder account? Is your class always so ill-behaved?
I have the best well-behaved class in the school. Look, I won an award for the best well-behaved class. Think of it as the Oscars, but for the staffties. A testament to my greatness. Have they ever gone out of hand like that before? Ha! Not under my watch. Hey, come on! Hey! Get back to where you were! Stop! As I said, never.
Have you any control whatsoever? I've never seen a class so badly behaved.
I've got total control of my class. I even won an award.
Well, clearly you don't. I've never seen such chaos in my life.
Don't underestimate my greatness.
Just get back in there and control your class.
Whatever.
What's going on? When I left here, this place was carnage, and now they're perfectly under control. What the hell is going on?
Well, as I said before, I have the best class control.
Oh, he bribed us. He's done it many times.
Yes, finally, the break at long last. Off we go.
Now that it's break time, I can go to the staff room and interview some of the staff.
Perfect. I'm on the way now. Let's go. Lovely.
poorly. Hey, I've got an idea. I'm going to go into his room, see if I can dig up some dirt on him. Come on. What's that noise? What are you doing here?
Nothing. You new here?
Yeah, I'm new, yeah. I just came in to see how amazing Mr. Breathnach is, how he sets up his class, because I've heard so many amazingly brilliant, amazing things about him, because he is amazing, isn't he?
Oh my god. Quite the contrary. I wouldn't even sit in a room with that man. He literally cannot teach.
Wow.
Well, classmates. Yeah, let's go.
Right, lads, you'd be delighted to know I have your Screwdriver back. Everyone did exceptionally well, except for one. Isn't there always one? Jeepers. There you go.
Neff, that's not possible. I studied too much for this test. How?
What are you talking about? I'm only joking with you. Sure wasn't it a laugh? Huh?
No, it's just 6, sir.
What? Oh, it's just a joke, man. Easy joke. Anyway, let's get on with the work.
Sir, you've got to hand out the test.
Don't worry about them. I'll get them corrected someday. Don't worry about it. Okay, let's get back to work now. We have a lovely Clueshishkin for you. See it up here on the board? A nice listening comprehension for you.
Why did you use ChatGPT, sir?
Oh, I didn't. What are you on about?
Sir, you clearly did. There's a watermark right there.
Don't worry about that. That's just a technical glitch. We'll sort that out. Don't worry about it. Okay, are you ready? Let's get back to work now. I'll get Stenemy a Clueshishkin, the lovely listening comprehension for you. So here we go.
Comisiún na scrúdaithe stáit. Scrúdú na háirteiste méireachta, 2025. Leaving Certificate Examination 2025. Gaeilge. Bun level. Cuid a haim. An tríal chuas.
Mr. Breathnach? What's he doing? Mr. Breathnach! Come back! Mr. Breathnach! Get back in there. Go and teach your students. I can't believe this. Are you always this so irresponsible with your students?
Oh yeah, he does this all the time. He just puts something up on the board and then he's gone. Sometimes I just think he's going home. One time he literally didn't even come back.
No, never. It's just that you sitting at the back in the class, it's just so stressful.
I'm not so sure. Your students say you do this sort of thing all the time. I don't believe I fell for your online guff. This is best teaching practice, not worst teacher of the year. You get back up there and you teach those students.
You're so mean.
Actual fuck. All right, look, this is the way it is. Mr. Breathnach is gone, and we don't know where he's gone. So I will be teaching you for the rest of the day.
Where is he gone?
I don't know.
Well, he's gone. Now I can actually learn something.
Enough! Shut up! Now listen, you'll be writing a 5-page essay on what you've been learning in Irish recently. Don't even talk, don't argue. Now get on with it.
We've never seen it this bad. He's left before. He usually comes back or sends an email.
The way Mr. Smith spoke didn't make it seem good. He couldn't have fired him, could he?
Sir, can I go to the bathroom, please?
There's 40 minutes left in the day, surely you can wait. Quiet!
Oh, stop.
Wait here, I'll check it out. But if it isn't Mr. Breathnach, how dare you do that? Totally unacceptable.
Please, will you just give me one more chance?
Fine, fine.
Gura Mahagi. A gut.
Get in there and teach your children.
It's good. Gura Ma. A gut. Gura Ma.
Sir, what was the noise?
Yes, who's a rasher?
Well, as we found Mr. Breathnach, you might as well let him teach you for the last 30 minutes of the day.
Well, it's time for you know who. Professor Breathnach! And now I'm going to teach you the Imsher Catcher! And for upper volume, make sure you revise Gockrud we did today. Okay? That's it.
Well, Mr. Breathnach, I have to leave a little bit early, but let me just say, you are a great teacher when you put your mind to it. Guys, gotta go. It's been great. I'm going to leave the camera crew here for the rest of the day. Might be back in a few weeks to see you again, but until then, ciao.
Sloan. Thanks be to God, he's gone! Okay, about the homework. Forget about it, you're all right. Come on, let's go. Sloan, thank you. Sloan. Come on. Sloan. I'm not leave, Sloan.
My class are the best ever. Mainly because I'm in it. They're so kind, they're so thoughtful, they are the best. My class are resilient, entertaining, and intelligent. Because of them, I can drink out of this cup with pride. I love them. Would I rather be feared or loved? Both. But I want them to be afraid of how much they love me. Can I go home now?
My name is Mr. Breathnach, I'm about to say, I'm gonna do the scarn in a major way. Jump to the right, shake that hand, jump to the left, shake that hand, meet new friends, tie some yarn, and that's how you do the scarn. My name is Mr. Breathnach and I'm about to say, we're going to do the scarn in a major way. Jump to the right, shake that hand, jump to the left, shake that hand, meet new friends, tie some yarn, and that's how you do the scarn. My name is Mr. Breathnach, I'm about to say, I'm going to do the scarn in a major way. Jump to the right, shake that hand, jump to the left, shake that hand, meet new friends, tie some yarn, and that's how you do the scarn. My name is Mr. Breathnach, I'm about to say, I'm going to do the scarn in a major way.